Sri Revanna, the son of former Prime Minister H.D. Devagowda, was taken into custody by the Special Investigation Team minutes after a court rejected his anticipatory bail in the kidnapping case. Remember, this comes after over 700 women wrote letters to the NCW, and H.D. Revanna has been accused of rape and kidnapping. His son Prajwal Revanna as well has been accused of sexual harassment and stalking, which has spiraled out of the obscene videos case. Listen in to what the Congress had to say.
अभी कानून के मुताबिक जो एक्शन लेना चाहिए वो एक्शन गवर्नमेंट एसआईटी ले रही। एसआईटी तो इंडिपेंडेंट उन्होंने एक कमेटी की है, वो कमेटी जो काम कर रही है कानून के तहत कर रही है, और जो भी आदमी गलती करता है उसको शिक्षा जरूर होना चाहिए। और अगर कानून का भय किसी को नहीं है तो बहुत कानून के तहत देश अगर चलेगा नहीं तो सबको मुश्किल होता है।
Greek Pratibha joins us with more details. Pratibha, now does this come as a huge setback for the JDS for time to come?
Well, definitely yes, because this is the first family of the JDS that we are talking about, and the entire legacy as well as the reputation of the JDS is at stake. It's the statements that have been made by several of the MLAs of the party as well. Right now, yes, further leads would emerge with respect to the interrogation of Mr. H.D. Revanna, because we are talking about two grave allegations there. One, sexual harassment, and two, abduction charges as well. And under Section 364A becomes non-bailable for him. So custodial interrogation was a definite must as far as the SIT officials were concerned, because the arguments that were presented at the court also suggested that when there is a victim who has been featured in one of those controversial videos and there is abduction charges against her, that precisely points to how there is a pressure that has been exerted on these witnesses not to appear before the SIT and send out or record their statements. And if this is going to be the case, then imagine the plight of the other victims. Keeping all of this in mind is how the interim bail plea was rejected at the court, and minutes after that, H.D. Revanna was arrested. Now, this custodial interrogation also becomes very pertinent to find out the whereabouts of Prajwal Revanna, because he becomes the key accused with rape charges as well that have been leveled against him. So all eyes are on that, with blue corner notices that have also been issued, or perhaps being mulled to be issued, and with lookout notices that have already been issued. So this becomes an extremely serious, disturbing, as well as grave allegations that have been pointed against Prajwal Revanna as well as H.D. Revanna at this point in time, and this could have repercussions on the party as well as the poll prospects as far as the Lok Sabha election in Karnataka is concerned.
Thank you, Pratibha, for joining us and bringing us those details.